how do the new Beats Studio Buds Plus sound like?
They are insane.
Whew. Now, y'all know I'm a sucker for these transparent designs, and of course, they look amazing.
Que este color transparente me parece espectacular.
These deliver a superior audio experience across all frequency ranges.
These Studio Buds sound amazing.
Crispy highs and mids, you got that deep, rich, clean bass.
And because they're so small, they actually feel great.
You got 4 different size ear chips. Very tight, snug, comfortable fit.
They fine-tuned this design to be something that's comfortable for all-day wear.
They've got a new and much improved adaptive active noise canceling feature, improved transparency mode.
Noise cancellation on these earbuds is easily top tier.
How do they sound in phone calls? These headphones sound great.
Otro día hablando con mi madre y me escuchaba perfectamente.
Oh, and something just as important as audio quality, let's talk about that battery life, son.
It's 9 hours on a single charge with an additional 27 hours using a charging case.
And they're ideal for both Apple and Android users due to their universal compatibility.
All right, it's that easy to connect them. Works on Android too.
I mean, what else is there to say about the Beats Studio Buds Plus? It's the pair of transparent headphones that we've always needed.